Pass. Everyone is talking about the world ahead 2026, but most people only hear the headlines, not the meaning behind them. So in this video, part 2, let us clearly understand the benefits of the world ahead 2026 and why this global outlook actually matters for you, not just leaders or big companies. So, what is the world ahead 2026? Well, it's all about anticipating future global trends in technology, economy, climate, politics, and even human behavior. It doesn't predict the future like a movie. Instead, it helps the world prepare for what is most likely coming next. And preparation is power. Think of it as a weather forecast for the planet. It gives us a heads up so we can grab our umbrellas before the storm hits. One of the biggest benefits is better planning for countries and societies. When governments have a clear picture of what's on the horizon, they can act smarter. They can prepare their economies for upcoming shifts, improve healthcare systems to meet future demands, and respond much faster to climate challenges. When leaders understand potential risks early, they can take steps to reduce the damage instead of just reacting after it's too late. It's the difference between building a flood barrier and cleaning up after a flood. This foresight is also incredibly valuable for businesses and for your career. Businesses use these future outlooks to invest wisely, adapt to new technologies, and avoid getting stuck with outdated systems. But what does that mean for you as an individual? It means you can choose a career path that's future-ready. You can learn skills that won't become obsolete in a few years. It's about staying ahead of the curve instead of getting left behind. Knowing where the world is going helps you move with it, not against it, which is crucial for your long-term success. Another powerful and often overlooked benefit is awareness and mental preparedness. Let's be honest, the future can feel scary and uncertain, but when people understand the global changes that are happening, something amazing occurs. Fear decreases, panic is reduced, and our ability to adapt increases. A prepared mind handles change much better than a shocked mind. The future starts to feel a lot less threatening when you actually understand the forces shaping it. It's not about being fearless, it's about being informed. Finally, looking ahead at challenges actually pushes us to be more innovative. The World Ahead 2026 encourages the development of clean energy solutions, smarter and more efficient technology, and new ways to live sustainably. It highlights the problems that need solving, which in turn inspires scientists, engineers, and creators to find those solutions. It pushes humanity to solve its problems proactively, not just ignore them and hope they go away. So, in the end, the World Ahead 2026 isn't about spreading fear, it's about giving us foresight. Because the people who truly understand the future are the ones who get to shape it. If this video helped you understand the benefits clearly, please like, share, and subscribe. In part 3, we'll explore the risks and challenges that you absolutely need to be aware of. Thanks for watching.